Hi guys, it's Saturday today, isn't it?
It is Saturday, yes.
Keep doubting myself as to what day it is. So Tim and I are going to go to Glenariff. I don't think either of us have been there in autumn, have we?
I can't remember when we went last time.
I have a feeling it was like summertime, so I just really wanted to see what it looks like in autumn, because I thought, you know, I love me some autumnal vibes, and I figured Glenariff is full of trees and waterfalls and all, and I thought it looked really pretty, so that's where we're off to today. We're running a bit late, it's 1:34, so I think we probably should have went away by now. Could you set it in my sat nav? We're not going to take anything with us to eat because neither of us are hungry. This may be a mistake. I do, however, have some honey roast peanuts with me. So, you know, we've got our healthy snacks. Anyway, I'm gonna try and get some nice, you know, like nice montage-y shots of like pretty autumnal stuff. Oh, and I have put little fluffy wind muffy type things on this camera, which, so hopefully the audio is okay. Fingers crossed. I'll see you guys in a bit. You feel me? We're here, finally.
Finally here.
We might have had a slight saga.
Yes.
On the way here. Essentially we actually passed a car accident, which was quite unpleasant, and we discovered my tyre pressure warning light thing came on, and we had to fill her up, and it kind of all turned into a bit of a palaver. But we're here now and it's gorgeous, although I think we may have come a little bit late. The sun looks like it's just about to go behind the mountain.
Isn't that magic hour?
Well, yes, it is currently golden hour, but not for long, and in the valley I'm hoping there'll still be enough light because it's like 4 o'clock and sunset is at 6, but because of the height of the mountain, I don't know if you guys can see that, sun's just about to go behind it, so okay, right, let's get going. Wow, this is the view I live for. So pretty. Somebody's a happy bunny. Come in, join me. Say cheese.
Fromage.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's so beautiful. Oh, wow. That is the view, isn't it? Imagine if you looked out on that from your bedroom window every morning. Can you even imagine how amazing that would be?
Do you need some 4K shots? Something's flying. Okay.
I was just saying to Tim, I am literally autumn to the max. I've got my autumn coloured coat on, my autumn coloured jumper on, my jeans and my hiking boots.
Sorry, a fly just flew into my eye.
Lovely. And Tim has his scarf and jumper and coat. We're feeling, and gloves. And hat. We're feeling very autumnal, which is my favourite thing to feel. Autumn is like, it has the best colours. Autumn has the best colours. I hope my wind muff thingies are helping with the wind noise. It's fairly breezy up in the hilltop, so when I look back at my footage I'll be able to tell. I'm so happy to be here. You know, honestly, it has been far too long since I've been here. I really wish I lived here so that I could just walk around it all the time. All day, every day. Oh, I love these trees.
So the waterfalls down there, is it? Or is that different?
Oh look! There. There's a
Also,
really cute mushroom thing on the tree. So pretty. This is just so stunning. Oh. If any of you have been here, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. I know I've had at least one viewer that's been here because they've told me. And it's such a stunningly beautiful place. I mean, I'll be honest and say that it's maybe not the most accessible if you're not very agile, like the walk. But there is the high up car park, so you could like get out there and have a look around the sort of the valley and that. And then there's a pretty sort of slopey slope of a path down to the cafe. And you could go back up that again. But it is a reasonable height you go down, so I think it would be better if, you know, you were reasonably fit to do the walk we're doing. But it's not that difficult to walk, like. I mean, neither of us are exactly the fittest of people, are we?
No.
But we're trying to get better. How adorable and autumnal does Tim look? He's so autumnal. Oh, this place is just... It's just too stunning. I can hear the waterfall from here. Can you come up here? Because I want to show them the path and it's really cute. How beautiful is this path? It's so pretty. All the mushrooms everywhere. I really love all the ferns, you know, coming out into the path. There's just something very... I don't know. Oh dear. Did any of you guys see Fern Gully growing up? Because this place really reminds me of Fern Gully. Did you ever see that, Tim?
Years ago. Robin Williams.
Robin Williams is in Fern Gully?
Yeah.
Oh. You can see the river down there now. Looks quite fast. I suppose there has been a fair bit of rain. Is it just me or has it suddenly gotten way busier here?
Yeah. We thought we were late.
This is the most gorgeous like path. It really is. Tim, looking pensively on. What? Can you not? Look at all the beautiful autumn colours in these trees. Oh, they're so pretty. We are going to go in here and see if we can get some hot chocolate. Because that is what we're feeling. That hot chocolate was actually amazing. It was so tasty, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really, really, really nice.
Good.
That was some of the best hot chocolate I've had, actually. and I am a connoisseur of hot chocolate. I wonder, is that a thing? A chocolate connoisseur, or hot chocolate connoisseur?
Hot chocolate connoisseur, yeah.
I'm sure that there is a chocolate connoisseur, but a hot chocolate connoisseur? I want that job. Apparently, the protected species here are leprechauns, various types of fairy, and red squirrels. Seems legit.
Robert Strickland knows leprechauns are extinct.
Yeah, a very good day is being had by us two.
Yep.
It really is so beautiful here. I was totally right. I think I have been here in the autumn before though. In fact, oh no, I know I have. Yeah. I remember coming here in the autumn once before. Final waterfall of the day coming up. I mean, this is a pretty flippin' spectacular waterfall. Wow. That looks like something out of a painting, doesn't it? If you're actually looking at it.
Sorry, what?
Doesn't it look like something out of a painting?
Yeah, it does.
This was definitely worth coming to see.
Definitely.
Wow. So stunning. I actually feel like I've gone to a land where fairies exist. I mean, they do exist, of course. I mean, that sign says so, right?
It's empirical evidence.
Yeah. Yeah. The sign says so, so it's true. Fact. I just love greenery. Anything nature, greenery, forests, mountains. Oh, it's so pretty. I am ridiculously happy right now. So many waterfalls, hot chocolate, autumn foliage. Can you get better? I think not. Oh, it's one of these.
Wow.
This is my favourite toadstool.
What's happening?
I'm back home, about to go to bed, and I just thought that I would sign off now. I got so much autumnal footage. I got loads of footage from my autumn lookbook. I can't remember when that video is actually supposed to go up, but I have loads of lovely like autumnal shots for it, which is very exciting. I can't wait to edit this video actually, just to look back over all the like lovely foliage and everything. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you next Sunday. Good night, guys.